So this is just a quick video to show you how to change the pollen filter or the cabin filter in a Renault Kangoo van. So this is a 2013 van, this is an electric van. So I found there was lots of videos online showing you how to change it on the left-hand drive models. That is where you've got to take the glove box and the gear stick trim off. Of course it's all on this side, but on a UK spec right-hand drive model it's very much easier. There's nothing to remove. You just come down here above your driving pedals. I say it's very much easier, it's still very awkward, but up here is the slot here where your pollen filter goes. So you have this cover here and you've got this lug at the bottom. So there is a screw holding that in, or there should be a screw. You might find it's actually missing, but that screw's holding that in. That little screw is a 5.5mm head, so you want to just have a ratchet on there to take that out. And then the cabin filter slides out. So in this case, it had this filter in, which is actually wrong. It shouldn't be a one piece. That filter had to be effectively screwed up to get in there, and I did sort of have to pull it out with pliers to get it out. The correct filter is in two sections here. So effectively it goes in like that with a plastic slider in the middle, so you can slide the bottom one in, put your slider on there, and then slide the top one in, making sure you leave these tags accessible so you can pull them out afterwards. And that's it. Fairly simple job to do. These filters only cost £10 maximum to buy, very cheap, and very simple to do. So obviously, being an electric van as this one is, that is the only serviceable part you have on an electric vehicle, is you change that filter every service. There's no other parts to change. Obviously you still check your brakes, tyres and suspension joints, all the safety stuff, which in reality an MOT does that pretty well. But that's it. That's the cost of a service. £10.